Hi, it's Luke, and today I'm going to be talking about how to get clients for your video production company and what steps I went through so I made sure my clients knew what I could offer them so they hired me instead of anyone else to create their promo film. Let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So the first step is you need to have a variety of films on your portfolio. What I mean by this is on my portfolio I have everything from people making glass all the way up to documentaries about Iceland, and that shows a great range to my clients so they know that I can film almost anything, so they'll be much more interested in hiring me because they know I can handle any sort of film. So the second step is you need to actually use those variety of films on your website or YouTube channel to make a promo video. Now what you're going to do is you're going to use all of those films, put them all into a 1 minute section by using the best shots from all of the films. Then the client can watch it through and think, great, at 35 seconds in I really like the shot that the filmmaker got, and if we had that in our video it'd really enhance our business and we'd get more clients and we'd get more jobs because of it. And that's really what's going to make that client want to hire you to make a film for them. So I'd really recommend creating a high-end professional promo video. So for the third step, it's more about what I said in the second step. And what I was talking about is you need to actually put your promo video somewhere where clients can see it. I definitely recommend making a YouTube channel or a website because they get both free, and then you have an easy way of promoting and showing what you can do. And it's easy for the client just to go to your YouTube channel or your website, see all your films, and then they know, yes, we want to use them, because if it's really hard to find your stuff, they're never going to go and look for it if they don't know who you are. So it's really important to have a very clean, ergonomic designed website or YouTube channel so it's easy for your client to see what you can do, and then they're more likely to hire you. So the fourth step is to use social media for marketing. On my Instagram account, which is Photography Possibilities, I send all of my clients there because it's a very high-end professional account with very crisp and professional photos, which is what you want for your client to see all videos on your social media because it's easy to find and it can be seen by anyone and grab anyone's attention easily and get you more clients. So the fifth step will be really useful to you if you actually go out to events to meet your clients. And I definitely recommend you use business cards because they can be very clean and crisp, which makes your work look very professional, has all the information they need to see more of your work, and it actually really help your client not to put in so much effort to find you because it has all the information on the back and they're more likely to quickly search you up, see how good your films are, and then hire you. So the sixth and final step is actually following up leads from an event where you've met a client or any other way that you've met them. And it's really important to follow up the emails that you'd originally sent. So if they haven't replied and you knew that they really did want to film from you, just send them another email or give them a call and just remind them what you can offer them, and then they'll be like, oh yeah, that's perfect, we're definitely going to hire you, let's film something next week. Because if you don't do that and you leave it over a couple months, then they're never going to remember who you are and how good your work is. So it's really important to follow up leads and emails as fast as you can to make sure that client remembers how important you are and how good your films are and why they should be hiring you. So thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you've enjoyed it and you've seen how to get more clients for your video production company by selling yourself and selling what you can do by using some simple steps I taught you about in this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.